yeah. All right, Cranberry Lake, July 9th, 2023. Let's go. Beautiful out here, calm, the weeds look good. Oh, you gonna throw a worm? I got horny toad that I might throw. Let's go. Pressure's real low, 95.6 kilopascals, Dad. That is low. You need something? Okay, we'll head right into the cut there, or the sandy bar. Let's go. Okay. All right, first cast, Cranberry Lake. Ooh, baby. Okay, we're looking for some 6-pounders.
Already.
Bite already? Oh, yeah. Oh, baby. Any size?
No.
Okay. Hey. Broke the ice. First cast. Largemouth with a Guggen. Woo, baby. Let's go. Ow, ow.
Worm.
The worm.
Worm like that.
Yeah. Guggen. 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 Just gonna head out. Got one. Keeper. No. I don't know if he's a keeper, but he hit it good.
Did he really?
Yep. Nice dark fish. He is warm. Nope.
12, right?
Yep. Horny toad, baby. Catch those dinks, but I can miss big ones. Does that make any sense? He hit it hard. Sweet. 625 bite. Broke the water, broke the ice. Come on, right here. Got one. Smallmouth. Nope. Largie. Okay, I got him. There's a nice one. Woo! Let's go.
That's one.
Huh?
I don't know. Close. Look.
Smallmouth?
Holy cow, I think so.
No, largie. It's a keeper. Oh, yeah.
Swallow it.
Nope.
I was just going to turn this on.
That's a nice fish. They're all about the same size.
Yeah.
But they work. Probably 2 pounds. Ooh.
Better than nothing.
Hell yeah. Not bad.
Swallow it.
Nope. Nope, but he was barely hooked. Good water. 3 out there, huh? Out there. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, it was. Oh, what? Cast? No, cast right there. But freaking pike, I saw it.
Yeah.
Broke my line. Oh,
Big pike.
big pike. Against Smalley.
Just threw my worm.
He did. I got more worms.
I got some too, I think. Wow. I didn't believe it.
I don't even think he is, Dad. Did he swallow it? Out there, huh? Little for us, big for some people. Nice looking fish though. That's a keeper. Are you kidding me? I thought that was the fish dropping. Big one? Wow. It's the same fish? That? Holy crap, back to back. That's definitely a keeper.
Oh yeah, bigger.
Bigger than what we got. There you go. Holy crap, Dad, back to back. Okay, I got my Guggen worm, I got my Guggen hat. We're gonna Guggen it up and catch us some bass. We're gonna shake it up and then we're gonna have a nice party tonight. Doop, boop, boop. Wake him up. Oh, wrong way. There's one.
Good one?
Oh, yeah. Come on, baby.
A little bigger. I don't see it, look.
Oh,
That's what we need.
whew. Oh, baby.
That's what we need.
That one's staying for the day. Ooh, there's a bite. Oh, baby. No. But there's bait fish because I just saw them jumping, so they're out here.
Come on, baby.
Whew. Yeah. That'll work.
Swallow it.
Nope. Whew, hook came right out. Hell yeah, Dad. Ooh, out there, he says. Two, three.
Help just a little.
Yep. All right.
The one I just caught.
Yep. Calling this size. 2-pounder. Nice, Dad.
Well, I think maybe.
Oh, Jesus. Can be close. I think he is. Oh yeah, 2-1.
Whoa!
2 pounds, 1 ounce. Yep. Oh, no.
Oh, that might be big enough.
Yeah, it is. $2.5. This is, yeah, 5 feet. I'm telling you, it's like a.
Start here and
Yeah, we can start here.
about where that one jumped.
New spot, Dad. I love it. You got one? Nice one? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 3. At least 3 pounds, I think.
Come right at the boat.
Got him. Oh yeah, Dad.
That's bigger than.
That's bigger.
You just swallow it?
Nope. Nice. Okay.
You know which one it is?
Yeah. Holy, first cast.
Mm-hmm. Told you, right there.
2.5. Almost 2.5. All right.
Right over the other side, maybe?
Sure. Yep. Oh. You got one? Nice one?
Yep.
Oh, baby. Oh. I saw it. Cast it right back in there. Oh, Dad. Here, I'll get to the right. What happened? It came up to the surface. I saw it.
Stuck its head.
Damn. You know what? Maybe it'll bite on the horny toad.
Maybe something different.
Look at that. Come on, blow up. Here, Bessie, Bessie. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh baby. Oh my God. Wow.
What can I do?
Nothing, I'm getting them. Oh. 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 Oh yeah, Dad. Woo, baby! Woo! Holy!
Wow.
Woo! There's one. Oh, maybe. Oh! 3-pounder.
Oh, look at that baby go.
Woo!
How to take care of a 2-pounder.
Oh, shit. Anchor. Three, 2.
That improved a pound right there.
All right, getting ready to leave, head back to the ramp.
One more, and that's it.
I say we did pretty good today, Dad. Maybe around 18 pounds. Got around a 6-pounder, 4.5-pounder, 3-pounder, and a couple 2.5. So let's see what the weigh-in's gonna be.